Karim did his best in the interview. He answered every question. He spoke with confidence. But now, he is waiting. Waiting for one phone call. One call that can change everything. Will he get the job, or not? Today you will learn real English. This is Karim again. Today is his 6th day in Dubai. Karim wakes up and checks his phone. No messages. No calls. He feels a little nervous. Maybe they will call today, he says. Karim decides to go for a walk to relax. He walks around the city and tries not to think too much. Suddenly, his phone rings. Karim stops walking. He looks at the screen. Unknown number. His heart beats fast. He answers the call. Hello. A voice replies. Hello, is this Karim? Karim says. Yes, speaking. The voice continues. This is Ahmed from the company. Karim feels nervous. Yes. Ahmed says. We are happy to inform you. Karim holds his breath. That you got the job. Karim smiles widely. Really? Thank you so much. Ahmed says. Congratulations. We would like you to start next week. Karim replies. That sounds great. Thank you for this opportunity. After the call, Karim looks up at the sky. He feels proud. 6 days ago, he arrived in a new country. Today, he got a job. Not because his English is perfect, but because he tried. And he never. Now let's learn some useful sentences from the story. Is this Karim? This is a common way to confirm someone's identity on the phone. Speaking. You can say this when answering a call to confirm it's you. We are happy to inform you. This is used to give good news. You got the job. This means you were accepted. That sounds great. Use this to show happiness and agreement. Now repeat after me. Is this Karim? Yes, speaking. We are happy to inform you. You got the job. That sounds great. Remember this. Success doesn't come from perfect English. It comes from trying. From speaking. From believing in yourself. Karim didn't wait to be perfect. He started. And that changed everything. See you in the next story.